Click on the link below to get price. The Cybervelo 1000W folding electric bike is a remarkable blend of power, convenience, and portability. With a robust 1000W motor, this bike provides an exhilarating ride, allowing users to reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour. The acceleration is impressive, making it suitable for both commuting and recreational rides. Its ability to tackle hills with ease sets it apart from many other e-bikes in the market, delivering a thrilling experience for riders seeking adventure. One of the standout features of this bike is its 48V 20.8AH removable battery. The battery life is commendable, providing ample range for daily commutes or longer journeys. Users can expect to ride anywhere from 30 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the terrain and riding style. The convenience of a removable battery means you can easily recharge it at home or bring it inside for security, which is a significant advantage for urban riders. The folding mechanism is another impressive aspect of the Cybervelo. It folds down neatly, making it easy to transport in a car trunk or store in tight spaces. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who live in apartments or have limited storage. Despite its folding capability, the bike maintains a sturdy and durable frame, instilling confidence while riding. Comfort is not compromised either. The bike is equipped with an adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars, ensuring a pleasant riding experience. The suspension system effectively absorbs bumps, making it suitable for various terrains, from city streets to light trails. However, potential buyers should be aware of its weight, as the bike is on the heavier side due to the motor and battery. This could be a consideration for those who need to carry it frequently. Overall, the Cybervelo 1000W folding electric bike is an excellent investment for anyone looking for speed, convenience, and versatility in an electric bike. It successfully combines performance with practicality, making it a top choice in the e-bike market.